I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bubble rings underwater. Creating these fascinating rings is a fun skill that takes a little practice. We'll cover the essential steps, from preparing your mouth to releasing the air with precision. You'll learn how to form a perfect O shape and use your tongue to push out a small, controlled burst of air. With a few attempts, you'll be sending beautiful rings soaring through the water. The key to a great bubble ring starts with your mouth and tongue. First, make a small, firm O shape with your lips, almost like you're saying poo. Next, place your tongue flat against the roof of your mouth, just behind your front teeth. Then, with a quick, sharp motion, push your tongue forward, expelling a small, concentrated puff of air. Think of it as a tiny, silent cough. Controlling the air release is crucial for forming a stable ring. You want to release a small, distinct puff of air, not a continuous stream. Imagine pushing out about 1/2 to 1 cubic inch of air. Practicing in calm, clear water will help you see your rings and adjust your technique. Don't get discouraged if your first few attempts aren't perfect. Consistency comes with experimenting with your tongue's speed and the pressure you apply. Many beginners release too much air, which creates a messy cloud instead of a ring. Remember, less is often more. Also, keep your head and mouth as still as possible underwater. Any movement can distort the ring. For an advanced technique, try a very subtle, quick nod of your head as you release the air. This can sometimes help give the ring a more defined shape and propel it further through the water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.